I'm measuring 1 cup of oil.
Okay, so what are we gonna make?
Mayo.
We're gonna make homemade mayonnaise. Alright.
With our chicken egg.
With our fresh chicken egg.
So we'll put the egg in. Maybe. And we're using the whole egg. Sometimes people just use the yolk.
Okay.
But we're gonna use the whole egg. Okay. And put that on.
Blend it up.
I'm gonna process it, but just for a few seconds. Medium. Okay, then we're going to add a tablespoon of mustard.
Yellow mustard.
Mm-hmm. I guess I should shake this. You can do it without, but we like flavor. So, that's about a tablespoon. Okay, it's okay, I'm gonna use it again. And we'll do a tablespoon of vinegar. We're using red wine vinegar. Okay. And use more salt, but we're just gonna put a little in for now. We'll add more in a bit. Another 20 seconds. Okay, that's what it looks like for now. And now we're gonna start to add the oil. Oh, I'm gonna add a little. That's enough. I'm supposed to go slow.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's thickening. Careful, don't spill it, honey.
Oh, I did just a little bit.
No more. You're not allowed to do it. Oh boy. Yay. Yay! Go a little more. Oh boy.
Oh, it's starting to look
So
like
it's
done.
really thickening up. See?
Yeah, and we want it to kind of peak constantly. Mm-hmm. Put more oil.
Yep. Just gonna clean my hand. So you can use other oils. We are using olive oil because that's all we had on hand. But you have to, it affects the flavor. So if you use a not as strong oil like avocado oil or canola oil, then it won't overpower, but we like olive oil anyways. I don't mind the flavor of olive oil. Oh boy. What do you think, Case?
Looks good.
Now that's the last of that, but what I am going to also add for flavor
In our mayo.
in our mayo is a little bit of garlic. we're gonna add a little bit of garlic for flavoring because we like.
That's a lot.
Yeah, well, that's a little bit for us. And then we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice.
Some in my mouth.
No, you can't have some in your mouth.
I got it.
Oh, you got it on your nose. Are you okay? Okay. You okay? Oh boy. So, might need a little more time. Oh no. Look how thick that is.
Try it.
Mmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. I think it's good. It almost tastes like butter.
It does too. It's like not a good thick.
Like a
mayonnaise.
garlic.
I see what
It's
you mean.
the
It's like
garlic,
a
yeah.
Consistency of butter almost.
I am gonna do it a little bit longer because I think it could be
That
a
would
little
an
bit.
excellent mayonnaise though on something.
It'd be a good dip.
Mm-hmm.
Period.
Yeah, or even that.
Yay!
Good job. So we use our homemade mayonnaise to make with a can of canned chicken, some
Some pickled, some little
Relish.
mustard, salt and pepper,
some chicken salad that tastes really good.
garlicky. It's garlicky
Well,
too.
that's
We
what I like.
made a garlic tomato.
Now, this is from the store because this is part of our pantry. But this year we got 60, I always want to call them heads, 60 cloves of garlic.
No heads.
60 heads of garlic out in the garden of 2 varieties. We should have a lot this year.
Good.
Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe.
Gooey.
Party pooper.